Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about prostate problems and urine infections in our health problems and natural remedies. Okay. This is how we follow list of concoctions, diet plan with millets, exercise, and what to avoid. Okay. First list concoctions. First one is Bryophyllum pinnatum. Okay. The leaf is somewhat thick. Okay. You take 3 to 4 leaves to make concoction. Next is coriander leaves. Take 10 to 15 leaves to make concoction. Next is mint leaves. Take 9 to 10 leaves to make concoction. Next is Boerhaavia diffusa. Okay. This is scientific name of this uh, plant. Okay. Take 10 to 12 leaves to make concoction because the leaf size is very small. Drumstick leaf, take 15 to 20 leaves to make concoction. Next is common rue leaves. Okay. Uh, Take 20 to 25 leaves to make concoction. Next is dill weed. Okay. Takes 6 to 7 leaves from here to here. Okay. One leaf. So take 7 to 8 leaves of that size to make concoction. Organic banana stem, take this much only from here to here. Okay. Cut it into pieces. First wash it thoroughly and cut into pieces and make concoction in the usual way. Okay. Anyhow, we will be telling you how to make concoction using any one of these leaves at the end of the presentation. Okay. So this is the concoction plan. First week Bryophyllum pinnatum leaves, second week coriander leaves, third week mint leaves, fourth week Bryophylla diffusa, fifth week drumstick leaves, sixth week common rue leaves, seventh week dillweed leaves, eighth week organic banana stem. Okay, if you do not find any one or two of the above, remove that from the list and continue with the remaining. Okay, let's say you didn't get this one. Okay, even though it is very important concoction for the prostate problem. Okay, let's say you didn't get this Boerhaavia diffusa. After third week, go to drumstick leaves. Okay, and continue up to seventh week, and then go back to first week like that. Okay, this cycle has to be repeated till you get recovered from the disease. Take each variety per week. Okay, on empty stomach and repeat this cycle. Okay, you have to drink this concoction on empty stomach and wait for 45 minutes to 1 hour after having concoction to have your next meal. Okay, and this is diet plan with millets. Little millet for 3 days. Okay, if you are eating 3 meals a day, eat all the 3 meals with little millet. If you are eating only 2 meals a day, eat those 2 meals with little millet. Okay, next kodo millet for 1 day, barnyard for 1 day, foxtail for 1 day, brown top for 1 day. Okay, so eat this millets alternately for this 7 day schedule, 1 week schedule or 7 day schedule. Repeat this sequence. You shouldn't eat rice, you shouldn't consume bread, you shouldn't consume any wheat products. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils. How to cook millets then? Either you cook it like rice or make millet porridge. How to cook it like rice? Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets. Soak it for 8 hours. Okay. Cook it either on open top vessel or in a pressure cooker. But avoid pressure cooking if you have enough amount of time. Making millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millets, okay, or 10 glasses of water, your wish if you want to make it more watery. Soak it for 8 hours. Cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay, tie the top using cotton cloth once it is cooled down, and keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours and let it get fermented. Okay, and then eat it. Okay. If it is summer, reduce this time to 6 to 7 hours. Okay. Special instructions for this particular problem: use only structured water for drinking and cooking. Buttermilk should be consumed more. Okay. Drink coconut water and lemon water on empty stomach, either in the morning or in the evening, your wish. Exercise is the most important part. Walk for 1 hour minimum a day. Okay, increase your walking time slowly day by day. Okay, and foods to avoid: all milk and dairy products, rice and wheat products, refined oil, sugar, jaggery. Okay, you can have palm jaggery or dates or honey if you are not diabetic. Okay, as alternative to sugar and jaggery. And you should avoid wheat powder and refined wheat powder, tea, coffee, all bakery products, all polished millets or refined millets. Non-vegetarian food, cool drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Okay. Let's see how to make concoction. In the concoction also, if you cannot drink it as it is, you can add palm jaggery in it if you are not diabetic. Leaves concoction. Okay. First, we have to take coriander leaves. These many are sufficient. Okay. And in the boiling water, you have to add coriander leaves. Okay. They are actually cleaned using running water. It's better to use running water alone. Okay. It has to be boiled in a low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. Once it get boiled, you have to keep the top closed. Okay, and wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the boiling is over, we have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. See, this is filter. By using that filter, you have to filter it. That is waste. That is not at all useful. This is how you will get it. Okay, this color you will get. Okay, you have to sip it. Okay, you shouldn't be consuming whole thing at a time. You have to sip it drop by drop using a spoon. Okay, thank you. See how beautiful this nature is. You also start planting the trees. Let us bring a new change in our society. Let us plant the trees and let others plant the trees. Let's take this pledge seriously from now. Thank you.